Hello everyone. I hope everyone have a good day, especially to our instructor in platform technology. And now, going to discuss on how to solve a round robin scheduling in algorithm. And now, I have four process ID here: the P1, P2, P3, P4, and also their arrival time and the burst time. The arrival of P1 is 0 and the burst time is 6, and the P2 has arrival of 1 and the burst time of 4, and the P3 has arrival of 2 and a burst time of 2, and the last one is P4. The arrival of P4 is 5 and the burst time of 3. And now this is my Gantt chart and the ready queue. The first in the ready queue is the P1. But before that, I have a quantum time of 3. So P1 is the ready queue. At the time of 0, this is my Gantt chart and the ready queue. First in the ready queue is P1. But before that, I have a quantum time of 3. So P1 is in the ready queue. At the time of 0, P1 is arrival. While proceed to the Gantt chart. But at the time of 1, P2 arrive, but P2 will be in the ready queue because time of 3, so that P1 will continue to proceed until the clock rung. So P1 has only 3 seconds to execute. At the time of 2, P3 arrived. So P3 is the next to P2 in the ready queue, followed by P1 because P1 is preemptive and P2 is ready to execute in the Gantt chart. So 3 plus 3 is 6. Dako kay baba si Joby, my God, kali. P3 is also ready to the execute to the Gantt chart. So 6 plus 2 is equals 8. At the time of 3, P1 is in the ready queue because it is in the preemptive, and at the time of 4, P2 is in the ready queue, and at the time of 5, P4 arrive. But before the P2 execute to the Gantt chart, P1 must have to complete the quantum time. So 8 plus 3 is equals 11. And now in the ready queue is in the P2, and it is the ready to execute to the Gantt chart with only 1 seconds because P2 has a balance of 1. So 11 plus 1 is equals 12. At the last to execute is the P4 in the Gantt chart with 3 burst time. So 12 plus 3 is equals 15. Now I will calculate the average turnaround time and the waiting time. So turnaround time is equals completion time minus arrival time, and the waiting time is equals turnaround time minus burst time. So the completion time of P1 is 11, and the P2 is 12, and the P3 is 8, and the P4 is 15. So P1 11 minus arrival time 0 is equals 11. P2 12 minus 1 is equals 11. P3 8 minus 2 is equals 6. 15 minus 5 is equals 10. Now let's proceed to the waiting time. 11 minus 6 is equals 5 in P1, and 11 minus 4 is equals 7 in P2, and 6 minus 2 is equals 4 in P3, and the last one is 10 minus 7 minus 3 is equals 7 in P4. On time, 11 plus 11, 22, plus 6, 28, plus 10, 38. 38 divided by 4 is equals 9.5 units. 5 plus 7, 12, plus 4, 16, plus 7, 23. 23 divided by 4 is equals 5.75 units. And that's all. Thank you.